Hey everyone! If you're trying to run your favorite scripts but Delta Executor just won't inject or the screen is staying white, most of the time this isn't a problem with your script, but a conflict between Delta and the latest Roblox update. So here's the fast fix to get you back in the game. Let's get into it. Step 1. Check for the upgrade error and update. First, ensure you are not running an outdated version. Roblox update every Wednesday, which often breaks Delta. So, go to the official Delta site and check if there is a new version available. If you see an upgrade error, you must uninstall your current Delta and Roblox. Then reinstall the latest Delta Roblox, because using an old version will always result in scripts not executing. Step 2. Clear Roblox and Delta cache. If your version is up to date but the script still isn't loading, it's usually a cache issue. On Android, you can go to Settings, App, Roblox and hit Clear Cache. On PC, press Windows plus R, type %10% and delete the Roblox folder. This forces the executor to create fresh injection files, which usually fix the white screen or no injection glitch. Step 3. Fix DLL and antivirus conflicts. For PC users, your antivirus is likely the reason. Most executors are flagged with false positives, so search for Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection while you play. Also, ensure you have the latest Visual C Plus installed, otherwise the DLL won't be able to attach to the game. Step 4. The No Key or Injection Reattach. If the UI appears but the buttons won't work, click the Attach or Inject button twice. Sometimes the first attempt fails silently. And make sure you have completed the key system for the day. If your key has expired, Delta will appear to work but don't actually run any code you paste into the executor. And that's pretty much it. Make sure to keep those versions synced and your cache clean, and you shouldn't have any more issues. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.